Exciting news from NASA. The Artemis II and the 3 moon missions have been postponed, with a new timeline set for these historic endeavors. NASA has officially delayed the Artemis II mission until September 2025 and Artemis III until September 2026. These missions are part of the Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and the first person of color on the moon. Originally planned for later this year, Artemis II involves 4 astronauts orbiting the moon aboard NASA's Space Launch System rocket and Orion spacecraft. The delay is attributed to safety concerns related to the new rocket system. Delays stem from safety concerns and life support system issues that require additional time to resolve. An investigation is ongoing into the unexpected loss of part of the heat shield on the unmanned Artemis I mission. NASA Administrator Bill Nelson underscores the agency's commitment to returning to the moon in an unprecedented way. The Artemis program aims to establish sustained exploration of Earth's nearest neighbor. Stay updated on space exploration news and the latest developments in NASA's Artemis program. Join the journey and subscribe to Yzee News for in-depth coverage of space missions and scientific breakthroughs.